Good morning. So, how's the day treating you? Well, today I'm here to tell you more about my book, Lines of Fate, which comes with this nice bookmark. So, since this book was released, it has been in the bestsellers list right from the beginning, and it has been under 5 in all categories since long on Kindle. And yesterday was a real wonderful day because it was at number 1 in the new hot sellers in Amazon on Kindle. You know, you have to be passionate about a book for it to be successful. And I'm really very passionate about this book. I love this book. And I'm so happy that it is getting the love and affection of all my readers. Well, it consists of 16 stories from various aspects of life, and I would like to tell you in short about a few stories. As you know, the name of the book is Lines of Fate, First Love and Other Stories. So naturally, the first story is First Love. So in this story, Sukriti is deeply in love with Jagdish, and they have had a very interesting love story till they got married. They're very much in love still, but there comes a point in their life where she has to take a decision. Now, what decision will she take? Will she take? You have to read in this book. The second story is about living. Well, Anukriti and Chetan have been living in together for long, but she suddenly decides that she wants to meet his parents. And he is so apprehensive because he knows that his parents are not going to like her. So they start on their voyage to Allahabad. So you have to read to understand what happens later. The third story is quite interesting. It's titled The Bookstore. Mr. Gidlani is in a hurry to leave to close the store, but sudden arrival of a couple with 2 kids makes him wonder who they are. And when they tell him that he was the one who united them, and the subsequent story, he recollects his own story. And what is that story and what was the story of the family which came in can be read in this book. The next is Picture Perfect. Well, Khyati is about to get married to Karan, and she feels that he's the best ever person to be in love with. However, things do change, and what makes things change is what you have to read in this book to understand it. The next story is The Guy on Mobike. Well, there's a guy who is on Mobike who always comes to the colony with a lot of noise, and he blows his horns. He blows his horn, and everybody thinks that he's a chain snatcher. But what he actually is, you'll have to read to understand it in this story. The next story is One Night Stand. And this Abhijit decides to remain a bachelor. But what is the reason behind that? Nobody knows, not even his parents, and not even the person who has made him take this decision. So, what is going to happen next? You'll have to read again in this book. The next story, the seventh one, is titled The Second Chance. When Toshi meets Tushar, she feels she has a second chance, and she is already in love with him as she had been in love with him. So what's going to happen now? Read the book Lines of Fate. The next story is Perspectives. Mahima, an elderly lady, one day calls all three of her children along with their family and tries to distribute whatever she has. She has had a hard life and she is about to take some decision. And now, how this decision is going to affect the family and how the family is going to take it as is to be read as it is in the story Perspectives. The next story is The Class. Well, this is also the title of a famous novel by Eric Segal. So, this story is about Sayanti. So, Sayanti is a very smart girl and she's a civil servant who takes very strong decisions, and a guy, Gurvinder, is in love with her, but there's a major class difference and there's also a story which is from the past. So is it going to affect them or is it going to take them further is what is to be seen in this book. The next story is titled The Emancipation. Shama is stunned watching the television news. A girl has been raped and that too very near to her house. This reminds her of something. What is that? And how she feels emancipated is to be read in the story. The next story is Still Waters. Well, there are two sisters, Anumita and Madhumita, and the mother always thinks that Anumita is not a good girl because there's a guy who is often deserting her. But what is the truth? You'll have to read the story. And moving on to the next story, it is titled The Misunderstanding. Gunjan is a nurse. She's also an orphan. However, Jayesh, a doctor, falls in love with her. His parents don't like it. Finally, he's able to convince them, but suddenly something happens and the entire scene changes. Are they going to ever meet? So, well, I've talked about 12 stories. There are 4 most interesting stories. You'll have to buy this book, Lines of Fate. At present, it is at ₹79, which is a discount. However, its actual cost is 99 on Kindle, and for paperback, it is only ₹149, which also includes shipping. So I'm sure you'll order it, enjoy it, because after all, it cannot be number one on the new releases, new hot releases in Amazon or the best sellers in Amazon until it is an interesting book. Thank you. Goodbye.